Choosing the right size for your garage door is an important step in designing or renovating your garage. The size of your door not only affects its functionality, but also the overall look of your home. At 𝐬𝐮 Garage Door Repair in Houston, Texas, we understand how crucial it is to select the perfect size to meet your needs. Garage doors come in standard sizes. For a single-car garage, common widths are 8, 9, or 10 feet, with heights of 7 or 8 feet. Double-car garage doors are typically 16 feet wide, and RV doors are much larger, ranging up to 16 feet in height to accommodate oversized vehicles. But what if standard sizes don't work for your garage? That's where custom garage doors come in. These doors can be tailored to fit your unique garage space or vehicle size. Whether you need something larger or more specialized, custom sizing ensures the perfect fit. When choosing the right size for your garage door, several factors come into play. First, measure the dimensions of your garage accurately, including headroom and side room. Consider the size of your vehicle and any storage space you might need. It's also a good idea to think about future needs. Will you be purchasing a larger vehicle or expanding your garage? The aesthetic appeal of your garage door is just as important as its size. A well-sized door complements your home's architecture and enhances curb appeal, boosting your property's overall value. Remember to measure accurately, ensure there's enough clearance, and consult a professional if you're unsure about the best size for your garage. Consider insulation if you use your garage for more than just parking. This will help regulate the temperature inside. At 𝐬𝐮 Garage Door Repair, we offer a wide range of garage door sizes, both standard and custom, to suit your home and lifestyle. Contact us today for expert advice and professional installation services in Houston, Texas. For more information and personalized help, visit 𝐬𝐮 Garage Door Repair, your trusted partner in garage door solutions.